Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F5 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, strain out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you will number one, want to probably take off the case if you have one on your device. And then you will find a tray at the bottom of the device, right over here. So insert your pin. Hopefully, if you're using some like paper clip, you have one that isn't as thick, so it won't damage the tray like some Fruit Loop wanted to, I don't know, use here and damaged it. So anyway, I'm gonna push it in. And you will see that the tray comes out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards, which you can obviously put on either side of them. So I'm going to be using only one of these. Place the card on the tray with the chip side up, like so. Make sure that the card is laying flush on the tray, as you can see this one is. Now it does, well, never mind, it doesn't hold the card here. Hopefully it holds it on the bottom side. Is this the bottom side? Nope. Okay, so okay, this is a little bit better. Typically, these cards would be held a little bit more firmly in place. Maybe this card is just kind of like worn down and it falls out. So you might need to be a little bit careful about inserting it, but from there just simply slide it back in. And the card should start working right away. So it's looking for service right now, and excuse me, come on, there we go, and it just found it. It took it a little bit, a moment, but as you can see, it functions without any additional steps needed. So, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.